What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna give it a first cut today. It's been about 14 days since I threw down some seed, so we'll give it a first cut. There's a lot of it that is just now germinating as of about 2-3 days ago. Usually you're not supposed to cut it at least I would say 21 days and for a first cut after you overseed, but we got germination. I mean, the only thing it's gonna do is just lay the seed down. So we'll get a cut in. As you can see, I've already made 2 passes with the mower, but we'll get a cut in. I'm actually gonna use a real mower as well too back here, because my rotary mower, it's about at an inch and a half height is what it is right now. I got the bagger on it because I'm bagging everything. So we'll do 1.5 inches on that. You already see it's at 1 inch, and then the rotary mower will mow it down at 1 inch. Come past a second time. So let's go with that. As far as the overseeding, the only reason why I wanted to cut it was because I felt like the grass was getting so high that it was smothering some of the places. So I do see that a lot of the seeds that germinated, they're still there. I'll show you a couple of them. Here's one area, just little seed heads down there. Oops, sorry. Those are still coming up. If you can see them, these ones right here, they're still coming up. And I got a good patch over here that's still coming up too. So Got a little bit late out here on the cut, but now that we got it cut, the next thing that I'll probably do on the next video, it did get a little bit chilly out here, but anyways, next thing I'm gonna do in the next video is we're gonna get some fertilizer out and we'll get this lawn fertilized, and then we'll go from there. But I'll do another video on that, but just wanted to show that we got the grass cut, so that's the best thing. One of the first cuts on this new seed that we put down. So but appreciate you guys for checking out the video. Please subscribe if you can, like it, that helps me out. So otherwise, you guys have a good one. Check you on the next one.